Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Let's start our video. Riddle number 1. Guess the animal name. Your time starts now. Time out. First one is pan and second one dha. Answer panda. Riddle number 2. Your time starts now. Time out. First one is chick and second one and answer chicken. Riddle number 3. Your time starts now. Time out. First one is butter and second one fly. So answer butterfly. Riddle number 4. Your time starts now. Time out. First one is star and second one fish. Answer starfish. Riddle number 5. Your time starts now. Time out. First one is man and second one key. Answer monkey. Riddle number 6. Your time starts now. Time out. First one is dawn and second one key. So answer donkey. Riddle number 7. Your time starts now. Time out. First one is E and second one gall. So answer eagle. Riddle number 8. Guess the animal name. Your time starts now. Time out. First one is E and second one L, third one fant. Answer elephant. Riddle number 9. Your time starts now. First one is gold and second one fish. Answer goldfish. Riddle number 10. Guess the animal name. Your time starts now. Time out. First one is bee and second one ear. Answer bear. Riddle number 11. Your time starts now. Time out. First one is S and second one nail. Answer snail. Riddle number 12. Guess the animal. Your time starts now. Time out. First one is earth and second one water. Please do subscribe Logical Thinking YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.